Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a new email to your Amazon account. This is particularly useful if you've changed email providers or simply want to use a different address for your Amazon communications and order confirmations. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with various account-related choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account overview page where you can manage all your personal settings and preferences. On the account page, locate and click on Login and Security. This section is where Amazon stores all your critical security information, including your email address, password, and two-factor authentication settings. It's the control center for how you access your account. Once you're in the Login and Security section, look for your current email address listed on the page. Right next to it, you'll see an Edit button. Click on this Edit button to begin the process of changing your email. This will open up the email modification interface. A text field will appear where you can enter your new email address. Type your new email carefully into this field, double-checking for any typos, then click Change Email Address. Amazon takes email changes seriously, so they'll need to verify that you actually own this new email address before making the switch permanent. This is where the verification process begins. Open the inbox for your new email address and look for a message from Amazon. This should arrive within a few moments, and it will contain a one-time password that serves as your verification code. This code ensures that only you can make changes to your account email. Copy or note down the verification code from the email, then return to Amazon. Type this code into the verification field and click Continue. This confirms to Amazon that you have access to the new email address you're trying to add. Amazon may ask you to enter your Amazon password one more time as an additional security measure. If this prompt appears, type your password and then click Save Changes. This final step locks in your new email address and completes the process. Your Amazon account will now use this new email for all communications, order confirmations, and login purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.